In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Instagram notifications permanently. If you're tired of pop-ups from Instagram interrupting your browsing, this quick walkthrough will show you how to silence them at the browser level so they stay off. We'll be doing this in Google Chrome by blocking Instagram.com from sending notifications. Once blocked, Chrome will no longer show those alerts, and the setting will stick until you change it. First, open Chrome settings. The simplest way is to click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Settings. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also type Chrome /settings into the address bar and press Enter. Either method lands you in the same place where all of Chrome's controls live. Next, head to the area that manages site permissions. In the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, look for Notifications. This is where Chrome keeps track of which sites are allowed to show alerts and which ones are blocked. If you don't see it right away, use the search box at the top of the settings page and type Notifications to jump there directly. Now it's time to find Instagram in your site list. On the notifications page, you'll see sections for sites that are allowed and sites that are not allowed. Scroll through the list or use the site search field if it's available and look for Instagram.com. If Instagram has ever asked to send notifications and you interacted with that prompt, it should appear here. It might currently be listed under Allowed, which explains why you're seeing those pop-ups. Once you've located Instagram.com, click it and change the permission to block. In some versions of Chrome, you can switch it right from the list. In others, you'll click into a details page and set notifications to block there. Either way, you're telling Chrome to refuse notification requests from Instagram going forward. You should see Instagram.com move into the blocked section, confirming the change. From this point on, Instagram won't be able to send you browser notifications in Chrome. If you had Instagram open in a tab, a quick refresh can help the change take effect immediately. Remember, this only affects notifications in Chrome on this profile. If you use another browser or a different Chrome profile, you'd repeat these same steps there. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same notifications page and switch Instagram.com back to allow or remove the custom setting entirely. That's it. Clean, quiet browsing without Instagram pop-ups distracting you.